In this Scanner Master video, we're going to show you how to program the Uniden Bearcat BC125AT for railroad frequencies. The 125AT is a great scanner for rail fanning, and we're going to show you how to program railroad frequencies into the scanner. So basically, when you get the scanner out of the box, it won't have anything programmed into it, so we need to program it. So what we need to do is to go to channel 1 and start there. So we're going to hit the hold button and then the number 1 and then hold, and that brings you to channel 1, bank 1. Once we have it here, we're going to press the function button and then program. And now we will enter a frequency by hitting the E button. And we'll punch in 160.8000 and then hit the E button. Now that frequency is stored, we will then scroll down to Edit Tag. And we will hit the E button there. And then we will make this Norfolk Southern Road. I'm going to abbreviate just to save time. With the knob on the top, you can scroll through the alphabet. And then with the number 6 button, you can advance to the next character. So I'm just going to put Norfolk Southern. So I'm going to put NS. And then I'm going to hit the 6 button. And then again. And then I'm going to put Road. And once you're done, you can just hit the enter button and it'll store it. And then we'll scroll down to exit, hit the E button on that. And now we've programmed in Norfolk Southern Road and then the road channel here. So we programmed the frequency into the scanner. If you want to program in something in channel 2, just simply scroll with the knob, hit the function button, and then program, and then you just start the steps all over again for programming a frequency and then programming in that alpha tag. It is that simple. A great feature to use while rail fanning, looking for new frequencies, is the service search on the 125AT. How to turn that on is just hit the function button and then search. Right now it's scanning through all the various searches that are available in the scanner. We just want the railroad one. That is located under number 5. So what we need to do is turn off all the other service searches. Just simply press 1, 2, 3, 4, skip over 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. And now we're scanning all of the railroad frequencies in this service search. Great way to find new frequencies if you're in an area that you don't often rail fan. It'll scan right through all of the railroad frequencies. Make sure you subscribe to Scanner Master on YouTube and follow Scanner Master on all of our social media platforms. Visit us online at scannermaster.com.